What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be working on Derrick's little red EG with this red booster, and we're gonna be putting that motor over there in it. So to break it down, this motor is a K24 A8. It has a TSX head and it has K24 Z7 pistons in it, so it should bump the compression up to about 12, 5, 13 to 1. I'm gonna be running low timing on the motor on pump gas just to keep it convenient. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna drop the motor inside the car and try to get it run tonight, and then after that we'll just start working on all the aesthetics of the motor. We just really want to get it running because the car's been sitting since September or October of last year, and I've been promising him for a while now that I'm going to be getting this car running. So today is the day. I've got some time, and me, him, and Jason are going to knock it out. Both of them are at the store right now, and they're getting some little odds and ends that we need to finish up the car, and then we're going to try to get it started. It is on K-Pro V4. Super simple setup, comp stage 4 clutch, RSX Type S trans, stock head, stock bottom end, basically, with just some aftermarket pistons. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, start getting everything together, and then well, we got most of the stuff together now. We've been working on trying to just make it easier for us to put the motor inside the car, and once we get it in, should be pretty simple after that to get it fired up and running. All right, after a quick break, that was an extended break.
I'm back.
We're back. All right, so
I'm back.
I got the water pump housing on. We got the mounts pretty much set up.
And speaking of mounts, where'd you get them from?
Oh, eBay. And guess what they came with? Hasbro logo. For $197, these could be yours. Don't know the link. Don't ask. All right. Bought them like 7 months ago. So,
Wow, shit looks good on camera.
we got the driver side mount on. The holes cut for the wire harness. The back post mount is on.
So why do you always do it like that? I'm sorry for interrupting, but why do you always do it like cutting the hole in the firewall?
How else am I going to get the wire?
I mean, I
harness
ran
in?
mine through. Oh, you're not moving the fuse box.
Exactly.
Never mind. Smart guy.
You dumb bitch.
I like how I answer my questions
So,
after I ask them.
Got the half shaft on, also the billet shifter cable bracket. What?
I thought you had to do the half shaft after you get the header on.
No, because his header's in 2 pieces, so I just put it on in 2 pieces. And if I jack the car up high enough, I can slide it over the half shaft. So
Oh, okay.
yeah.
The more you know.
That was our issue last time, was that the car wasn't high enough, so we couldn't get the header in.
That's what my issue was on my car
yeah,
too.
your issue.
I also had an eBay header, not no 1320 Jan.
Other things that we need to do in the engine bay are we need to take the no, I'm not even worried about it. I'm too tired to worry about that right now. It irks me, but alright, so we need to cut this fuel line down. I have a, what the hell is that thing called?
The pipe cutter?
Yeah, pipe cutter somewhere around here. Also need to take the battery tray out and get the old clutch line off, because we are no longer B series peasants anymore. We're
Okay,
now K series.
yo, chill.
We're small motor,
half
still
the
peasantry, but
Yeah.
we don't know how long it's gonna stay on motor. I'm pretty sure Derrick eventually is gonna be like, yo man, let's all-wheel drive something. So, because when he saw me get that other stuff, which we're gonna talk about in another video.
Oh, other stuff?
Yeah.
Mm.
He was like, yo man, how much it's gonna cost me to all-wheel drive my car?
Poverty no more.
Yeah, probably no more. Also, I'm building like 5 all-wheel drive cars, so if anybody's interested in buying an all-wheel drive car, I'm probably gonna have like 2 for sale here soon.
Great, now we're in a rush to fucking sell them.
Nah, not really.
Now we're in a rush to build them.
No, not even really. And I'm also building like 3 other customer all-wheel drive cars, so, and a friend's all-wheel drive car, so it's like 4
Yeah.
or 5,
You
6,
can build
7.
mine too, right?
Huh?
You have to fund it though. I don't.
And they're all K-series cars.
Yeah, I don't get paid
I'm
enough
never
for
building
that.
another B-series all-wheel drive car.
Why not?
No.
Whoa! Put your head down. You got a bald spot.
You lied.
Literally right here.
Oh, that's my the cul-de-sac thingy.
No.
The colic. Is that what it's called? Oh.
The calic?
Colic?
Yeah, like
No,
I got
colic is the
right
thing when
here.
y'all backed up.
Like when I got like
You
right
can't
here.
Take a shit.
The little thing that you literally can't get rid of.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what that is.
It's a calic.
Oh yeah, by the way, I cut my hair if you can't tell.
That's why I pointed it out. You shouldn't even have said nothing.
So about to set cherry picker up, jack the car up, put on jack stands, and
Back in
drop
the
the motor in here. for
back in the
tonight.
storage unit days.
Yeah, back in
no
the storage
lift.
unit days. I could use the lift, but we're currently doing wheel bearings on this car so I can get it out. Also, this car made amazing power on a Blackphillbuilt performance budget kit, basically.
Well, here we go.
The ultra budget kit.
2 cars in one video. What do you know?
I can't go into specifics about the motor because I believe he's going to be grudge racing it. But
Drudge race.
Yeah, drudge racing it.
Yeah.
Oh,
Where they do
I'm
that.
Talking like Logan. It made 400 on 15 pounds on a 66.
Literally said you can't talk about the motor, but we're gonna talk about how much power it makes.
Done to the motor. I mean, I'm not gonna go into specifics. All right.
Okay.
So it is an LS. You see.
Yeah. B18 B1.
Right. And it made really good power.
Stock block.
Stock block. Stock head. Really good power.
Good tuner.
I have steel tunes, so.
Yeah.
Oh man, my fingers are all chopped up. Well, yeah, I steel tunes. I stole somebody's tune. I put it on here. And
Sorry. Oh, never mind.
I didn't do anything in like 4 or 5 pulls. You know.
How come you didn't go with the VS gate on this one?
Because I had that gate laying around, so trying to get rid of all my non-VS stuff. So.
Yeah, we don't need that where we're going.
Turbo surge for the win.
That file stuff.
Yeah. So we're gonna go ahead, drop this motor in, and go home, and then we'll pick this video back up tomorrow when I'm not tired.
You're tired?
I'm beat.
I'm not tired at all. I hit the hole, grinding
Yeah,
first gear.
You about damn hit the hole over there. You about sunk the whole entire RSX.
Yeah.
And then my man went from like reverse to 5th to 6th.
I don't know what the fuck I was doing.
Oh shit! I need to put it in first. Oh snap! We're still moving. Can't put it in first.
You'll have
So
that.
we literally grind his gears until he found them, and then we arrived at the door.
Yeah, you'll have that
So
on those big
right
ones.
now. Still have to put the ramps back on my damn trailer.
Jesus Christ. Call Derrick. He took them off.
I just want to drive my top, my Suburban. Just want to go home and go to sleep.
You're driving the RSX home, right? So you can drive the Blue Coupe tomorrow?
I'm gonna drive the Suburban home so I can drive the coupe here tomorrow. I gotta fix the exhaust.
Oh.
Because I have like fucking 500 single moms asking me about this thing right now. So, yeah.
All right. Whole lot of K-swap shit going on.
Hold on, first shit in the driveway.
Not anymore. Not in the driveway. Let's see. Justin CRX.
Yeah, I mean, we got.
I mean, honestly, there's only like 2.
You have to,
There's only
we
one.
gotta go to the storage unit tomorrow and make a video on the silver car too.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So.
All right, here we go. I'm turning it off.
All right, so next day here, Jason's putting the axles in the car. He's got one side in already right now, and I just worked. What? What?
Sorry, the spider had to die.
Oh my god, what a bitch. Is your name John now? Anyway, I just modified this water neck. I had 2 nipples on here, and I just welded them up. And I heard you got a 3rd butthole.
Want to find out?
Show me your butthole.
Show me the glorious hope.
So I'm about to put the water neck on, and then after the water neck, going to put the alternator on. The alternator relocation kit, and we're gonna work on some wire. Oh, look who showed up!
Oh, look who's gonna put the other axle.
Hello, everyone.
Yeah, this one zooms. You can zoom while you can zoom on your damn ugly ass grill. So yeah, put the water neck on, alternator relocation kit, and well, AC power steering delete, I should say. I got to get the part number for the belt off line. Need to space this fuel rail out, put a bolt in this map sensor. I got the throttle cable bracket for him, and then we put the wire harness on T-bracket and the header.
Which video is coming out first, this one or the UK?
This one.
Maybe we shouldn't talk shit about K2.
Fuck K2. All right, guys, so we took an extended lunch break, and we're back now. So we pretty much have most of the fuel system mocked up. I still need to do the clutch line. I have to go to Advanced and get a line wrench because somehow mine has disappeared somewhere. We have no Harbor Freight close by, so hopefully I have it. Still have to do the rest of the what the fuck's that thing called?
No, where? What?
With the alternator relocation kit.
Yeah.
We gotta place the radiator in here. Do the hoses, rotor hoses, rear T bracket.
The what hoses?
Water hoses.
You said rotor.
Rotor hoses. Water hoses. Do a nut and bolt check. Put the swap harness in the car. The shifter cables are ran already. Shifter box is in but not bolted in or hooked up, but it's there. The cables are chilling right there. And
I dropped it. I was trying to.
you damn live. You was trying to act like you had
trying to pick it up because it was right here.
an African American anatomy.
That was for sure.
No. What's that? What's that?
You're doing a great job today. You should keep it up.
Oh, thanks. Oh, I'm sorry if I'm chewing gum. That's a damn lie. Stop lying.
I was literally telling you you're doing a great job every day. Do I do or not?
Oh, oh. All right, you do.
All right, and I still get treated like shit.
Yeah, because you suck.
Get paid for it.
You're the only man that gets paid in cats around here, and you accept it. And not kittens, but catalytic converters. Cadillac converters. My man gets paid in Cadillac converters, so you know he's making good money. What's that?
So you need your exhaust done, please.
Yeah, if you need your exhaust done, please. That's the only way I can afford to keep my employees around here. But yeah, booster is tightened
Should have
down.
a clutch fork in it.
It does have clutch fork in it. Come on, dog.
I forgot. You can see over that.
Yeah. Yeah, if you were standing here, you couldn't see it. Short bitch.
Daddy's that.
That's a GoPro. What's that? Alright guys, so we at the house today, and we got Anal Derrick over here cleaning his block off. So as you can imagine, we did drive it. I street tuned it yesterday. It's still a little bit on the rich side. I just got to pull like 5 to 7% of fuel out of it overall, and it should be good. But Mr. McNeil, tell the people how you feel about your first K-Swap car.
I don't know how to explain it. It's great. I've always wanted a K car. Finally got one, and I'm in love with it. It's a good feeling. It's a way different turn up from a all motor B car, B series car.
Yeah, so if y'all know this car, if a couple videos, well not a couple videos, but like last year, probably around this time, this car had a little all motor LS VTEC in it, and it was a dog. Like I tuned it, and we both drove it, and we're like, damn, this motor's tired as shit.
Facts.
So
I agree.
we put a K in it. So we got a couple more aesthetic things that we're doing to the car right now. So we're just pressure washing it. We're gonna wash the car up. We are painting the intake manifold wrinkled black, and we got another valve cover that we're gonna be putting on here that he has in the passenger seat. So I'm gonna let him go ahead, clean up the car, and then I'll end the video out once we get it completed.
Double decked.
All right, y'all, so we couldn't put the valve cover on the car because you can tell the hood needs to be notched. I forgot to notch it yesterday before he left, but we're gonna notch it here. But I guess somebody threw away my grinder. Sorry for the wind noise. I guess somebody threw my grinder, and I got to get one anyway because I got to modify my oil pump for my silver car. So what we're gonna do is he's got some hood spaces at home. He's gonna put some hood spaces on here. You gonna do it when you get home? Do the hood spaces got bolts with it? They should come with bolts.
I think they did.
All right.
They're JDM. They're Passport JDM. They're black.
All right,
I think
cool.
it did come with bolts.
Yeah, if you put them on tonight, just send me a picture and I'll drop a picture in here. If not, fuck them. But but we got the intake manifold painted up. We have to make an intake. Me and Christian found something out. So a straight intake makes more power overall than intake with bends in it. Obviously, you know, velocity and turbulence in the pipe will create less power. So straighter intake is what I'm gonna make. I'm just gonna put like something that has like a slight 45 that comes out, sits right here, and we'll make an intake for it. We had a tube on there. We took the tube off last night.
Set the shot.
All right, so yeah, we'll put some.
Nice,
we'll put a 3-inch on there or something like that, and just make it look good. And it's pretty much what the valve cover is. It is a Hydro Dip Dragon Ball Z valve cover. It's pretty dope. Kind of want something like this for my silver car. And yeah, we pressure washed the motor, the engine bay. Derrick hand washed the engine bay, and
non-soap is your best friend. For grease and
but this
stains.
thing is like show car quality right now. It's super nice. So it's on Street 2 right now. Like I said before, we got some upgrades coming from Milkshake, and we are going. I'm probably gonna make a video on that, seeing how I'm just like sharing everything with the car, seeing what kind of games we can pick up. And we're gonna meet Jared later. The 6766 VS Racing Turbo that was on his black car, he's taken off. I don't know if you guys are familiar with SRTs. They're pretty much the same thing as the motors are as efficient as 4G63s, so they take a shit ton of boost to make power. So his car maxed out that turbo at like 38 pounds on the dyno, and it wouldn't make any more power, and the car wouldn't go any faster at the track. So from the 63 millimeter that he had, so he's putting another Borg-Warner turbo on there, which Borg-Warners are designed to run a hell of a lot more boost because they're for diesel trucks. So we're gonna pick up his 6766. We're gonna put it on Milkshake probably this weekend, and we have the 4.2 final drive now for the transmission. So we're definitely gonna do that upgrade, and the turbo. We're gonna go through the transmission, make sure everything's fine. Seeing how we've been missing second gear, we missed it twice or 3 times already so far. So that could be an indication that either the slider is giving out or the synchro could be failing. So we're just gonna go through that, make sure that's all checks out. If not, if we have to order parts, we'll order and get them on order, fix the trans, and get it back on the road. And at the same time, we are dynoing. Well, while we're bringing down Milkshake to Christian's dyno to retune it, we are going to bring the red car with us also and put it on the dyno, see what kind of numbers it makes. Like I said, it's pretty much all OEM rebuild. It just has K24 Z7 pistons, pretty much are the pistons that come in 9th gen Civic SI. So 2012 to 2015 or 16, yeah, 2012 2015 Civic SI. Car's on 93. It's on the core bottom end. It's got pencil rods in it, and a 04 TSX head. So if the car makes about 230, 240 horsepower, it'll be a damn monster, because right now it's pretty damn strong. So we're gonna go ahead, wrap this video up, go ahead and edit, get it out, and as always, comment, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next upload.